Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use two controllers to play the same game on your PlayStation 5. And this is going to be the controller assist. You can use two controllers to play the same game. So let's go to settings and then go to accessibilities. Then go on down to where it says controllers and then go to the right and go to use second controller for assistance. And this will allow you to maybe add a child to your game or something like that. And you use a second controller as an assist controller to let you and another person use two controllers as if they were a single controller. This feature is available when using a DualSense wireless controller. So let's select this and then just simply turn it on. Now, when you turn on and connect your second controller, instead of picking a second profile, what you want to do is just select the same profile. So if you logged in with this profile, select the same profile, and then you can use the controller assist. So that's how you would do it. Most of the time you want to select a different profile with the new controller, just select the same profile, and then the controller assist will be turned on and activated. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.